Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to match multiple invoices when one payment is received in QuickBooks. If a customer sends one payment to cover several open invoices, QuickBooks makes it fairly simple to record that correctly. This situation happens often in businesses where customers pay multiple invoices at once instead of sending separate payments for each invoice. Properly applying these payments helps make sure your customer balances remain accurate and prevents confusion about which invoices have been paid. The key is to apply that single payment to all the related invoices and then make sure it matches properly in your bank feed afterward. This helps keep your accounts receivable accurate and makes bank reconciliation much smoother. When payments are recorded correctly, you can easily track what customers still owe, avoid duplicate entries, and maintain cleaner financial records. To begin, click the plus icon at the top left of QuickBooks. This is where you can quickly create new transactions. From there, select Receive Payment. This opens the payment window where you'll record the customer's payment against their unpaid invoices. The Receive Payment window is where QuickBooks connects the money you received with the specific invoices that need to be updated. Next, choose the customer name from the drop-down menu. As soon as you select the correct customer, QuickBooks will automatically display their outstanding invoices. You'll then check the boxes next to all of the invoices that are being covered by this one payment. For example, if a customer has 3 unpaid invoices and sends one payment covering all 3, you would select each of those invoices before saving the payment. This is the most important part because it tells QuickBooks exactly which invoices should be marked as paid, either fully or according to the amount received. Now, make sure the amount received field reflects the total combined amount of the payment. In other words, the amount entered here should match the full sum the customer actually paid across all selected invoices. If the payment amount does not match the selected invoices, QuickBooks may leave some invoices partially unpaid or create an incorrect balance. It's a good idea to quickly review the selected invoices and confirm the totals line up before saving. That small check can help prevent mismatches later in your books or in the bank feed. Taking a few seconds to verify the invoice totals can save you time later when reviewing customer balances or fixing reconciliation issues. Then set the deposit to account correctly. If the payment was deposited directly into your checking or savings account, choose that account here. This tells QuickBooks where the money was actually received and helps keep your bank records accurate. If you're collecting this payment along with other payments and plan to combine them into one bank deposit later, choose undeposited funds instead. Using undeposited funds can be helpful when multiple customer payments are combined into a single bank deposit because it allows QuickBooks to match the group deposit correctly later. This step matters because it affects how the transaction appears when you go to match it in your bank activity. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. At this point, the payment has been recorded and applied to the selected invoices. After that, go to your bank feed and match the payment to the bank transaction. The bank feed is where QuickBooks compares your recorded transactions with the actual activity coming from your financial institution. If the payment was entered correctly and the deposit account was chosen properly, QuickBooks should make the match easy to identify. This final match ensures the payment in your books lines up with the actual money received by the bank. Completing this final step keeps your accounting records consistent because both sides of the transaction, your books and your bank activity, are showing the same information. And that's all. By recording one payment across multiple invoices this way, you keep your customer balances accurate and your bookkeeping clean inside QuickBooks. This process not only saves time compared to entering separate payments manually, but it also helps maintain accurate accounts receivable records as your business grows.